Hello everyone. Today I would like to explain about alchemical creation from the four body ethers, the Akashic ether, and the tree of knowledge and tree of life that we have uncovered in our earlier discussion. Those people who have followed the Akashic group meditation during full moon, they would have got the guidance of how to follow their spirit guides and animal guides and use their intuition to connect to the hints and nudges thrown by the universe to build their tree of life. Now, the alchemical creation is possible only if we come out of our belief systems and ancestral patterns. Now, we are sitting in an age of Pisces, and 200 years of what we followed as our traditional beliefs about things are going to change in another 20 days. Like once the age of Aquarius starts, then we will have to wash away whatever patterns we have followed from over a period of 200 years. So the question is how to choose a career or a job that is fulfilling to your lives and that is in alignment with your soul purpose. I would like to explain more about science of achievement and the art of fulfillment, which we need to work in the physical world, as we need to understand that there is a reason behind all these belief systems that has been created by our own ancestors and the programming we had been into. Now, I would like to give an example of the knowledge base of a particular person influencing the choices he make for a successful career of him or her. Now, right from the birth, what we accumulate as memories or as experiences from our childhood till say 30 years of age is what is called as our knowledge base. Now, we would like to create a career or something based on the knowledge base that we have, which is only a part of the belief system that we carry. Because the knowledge based is only influenced by the information that we hold in that knowledge base. That is where there is a need of creating reference points, those reference points that will help you throw light into lives of people who have become successful outside of the career pursuits that we pick and choose from our families or from our friends or from our ancestors. Now, say for example, we would like to pursue a career choice that is given by our parents or by our belief systems, because that is the only way which we have perceived till now, and whatever we have followed up to 200 years is going to wash off. And during the age of Aquarius, we all need to rethink ourselves towards building a better future and career for ourselves. For that, we need to create a science of achievement in terms of building money, and we need to uh, find our true purpose in life, which will give you soul fulfillment. And for that, we need to develop the art of fulfillment. The science of achievement is something that we can learn from others, by creating reference points into our knowledge base. Our knowledge base is only limited to what we have followed or we have experienced, and that can be updated by reading books about people who are build success and wealth over a period of time. And we can create reference points based on people who have been abandoned by others but still are living a meaningful life, like say Charlie Chaplin for example, or Jim Carrey. We need not follow Hollywood stars or football players or cricket players for that matter. We can simply think about someone who has created success by just simply by following his aspirations and dreams about what he wanted to do pursue in his life. And for that, it is not just based on wealth or abundance. If you are living, if you have continued living a life of what is given to you by others without having the choice or freedom to choose your own, then you need to understand that there is an art of fulfillment for everyone in their lives. Now your fulfillment will be different from another one, or that person's daughter will find fulfillment in say painting, art or something like that, and you might find fulfillment in doing calligraphy or understanding others handwriting, and I might find fulfillment in serving others because I have found out that that is my life purpose. Now the question of finding our own fulfillment is something that will help you transcend our growth towards our future selves, because if we continue in this fashion over a period of time, we can achieve what is what we are supposed to serve in this lifetime by understanding our own past life. And for that matter, we need to integrate our soul parts and do a soul retrieval to do a proper fitment of the soul for the current lifetime. This technique is called soul retrieval, and it is something that everyone should try for, because if your soul parts are fragmented in different areas, then without integrating the soul, it will be difficult for you to do a soul retrieval journey. And once we do the soul retrieval, we can do the proper fitment of the soul towards achieving your wishes and desires and fulfilling your life purpose. And the question of creating reference points in your knowledge base will help you move out of the belief system you are living in currently. Now the other thing is you need to find your own fulfillment, and finding fulfillment is something that we can do by finding our true purpose in life and the gifts with which we can serve others in this lifetime. For that, past life regression techniques will help you uncover your own secrets about your past and the true gifts you have to help others. Now, past life regression is a technique which we are using to help you assess and uncover your own past by doing regression techniques and by understanding what is your true purpose and the gifts with you're holding to uncover your own past. Now, while doing soul retrieval, there will be lot of labels subconsciously attached to your particular image. Now we do aura readings and facial image readings to uncover a attribute or a character of a particular person. Suppose we can read aura colors by using psychometrization of the person's image, and we can understand. Suppose your aura is of violet color, that person will be very charismatic, and he'll be having a passion towards creating something new in his life. Now, with an aura color of violet, if that person is trying to do something that is that he wants to build in cities, which is identified with the aura color green, then that might be a clash of what he actually wanted to do in his life with his practicality of or limitation. So by doing these aura readings, we can help you achieve what is actually meaningful and easy for you to achieve. Like that, we do facial image readings also. By suppose you have a nose that is very thin, and you have a lean and long face, those people will be very focused on learning or having building experience in the lives by learning. So that is an example of image reading that we can do. Suppose a person is having a bigger upper lip compared to a lower lip, that person, it will be difficult for that person to tell the truth out to someone. So no matter whatever career you are pursuing, suppose if it is a sales career also, if you can understand these attributes from your facial images, it will help you uncover the truth about yourself, your character, and your personality. So we do these aura readings and image reading, facial image readings, to help you know the truth about yourselves. But just doing aura or facial image readings are not necessary, are not sufficient, as there might be certain subconscious image labels associated with everyone, that will be associated with your past life memory. And for understanding that, we need to do the subconscious readings also, to uncover the labels you have hidden from the past. Suppose you are having the label of an engineer, say for example, then we need to come out of the label of the engineer for serving your passion to be a teacher. Say for in this lifetime your passion is to teach others on a particular topic. Then if your subconscious memory holds the pattern of a engineer, that label should be removed from your subconscious mind. We do those subconscious reading services also, other than facial image readings. Now, why we are doing all this is to help people uncover the true purpose, and to unlock the true purpose, we need to do the past life regression part. And past life regression is the interesting task where we try to help you do the akashic reading, and help you understand the akashic ethers by which your past life was built upon once. Now, the alchemical creation is only possible when we use the four ethers and the atmospheric ether. The four body ethers are composed of earth, air, fire, and water elements. And from the atmospheric or the akashic ether, we create the rest, which is from the sound and light. And this, whatever we uncover from the sound and light, is based on all our past lifetimes in the earth. And it could be something that is beyond our perception also. Like whatever knowledge base we have is based on what we have experienced or what we have learned from our life experience. Or we might have created certain reference points based on reading books or understanding the lives of other successful people. Now, if we do the Akashic reading, Akashic records will help you uncover a past of yours which might be related to something you have never known before. And that is the time when we can devote our time to learn more about such topics. Say, for example, you might be having a past with floral essences. You would have sold floral essences, or you would have created magic oils in your past, and you would have tried helping people with that. Now, that is something that we have uncovered from your Akashic records. After reading your Akashic records, you know that you have a gift of helping others with floral essences. Now, the best thing that you can do in order to fulfill your past wish in this lifetime is to create a uh, floral essences service in this life, during this life, and which is quite possible, because if you have a gift of healing people with that, you will be flourishing in that particular business if you set up something like that. Now, if there is someone who is having a past life related to energy healing, then you can probably try to learn energy healing techniques like Reiki or pranic healing, and you can employ those methods to build a service of your own to heal others. That is how you identify your art of fulfillment in this current life, by trying to do something with your past life gifts. And the gifts are associated with only with your subconscious mind. And in order to uncover the subconscious images, we need to do a subconscious image reading for that. Once we do that, we can channel from your spirit and understand what exactly your soul wants in this incarnation. And that is something which we do after doing the past life regression. For doing the past life regression, we'll have to do the Akashic records reading, and we'll help you understand more about the fifth layer of, or the atmospheric ether. And whatever suppose if there are several lifetimes which you had before, we can uncover those lifetimes of yours and help you find and establish your true purpose in this lifetime after reading the past life. That is past life regression. And if there are traumas associated with your childhood, or you have certain relationship traumas in your early life or in your past lives, then we can do the relationship and emotional healing from the relationships also. So we can help you do the healing part first, and then we'll assemble your soul parts, or soul collect your soul fragments to help you do the soul integration and do the proper fitment of the soul to do the soul retrieval. And once we do the soul retrieval, we can do the past life regression to help you uncover your true gifts and the true purpose you are supposed to do in this lifetime. This is the whole process of it. And we can help you with aura readings and facial image readings to help you uncover your personality and character, and what we can do practically to achieve those dreams, or in a faster way. But certain people, they might need subconscious image readings also, apart from aura or facial image readings. The reason is that because there might be certain subconscious labels associated with you, which is blocking you to move towards a certain direction. Suppose you wanted to be someone, and your life is not permitting to be that person you always wanted to be, then that might be associated with a subconscious label which you need to remove. In such cases, we will have to go and do the subconscious image readings. Other things could be blocking, other things that could be blocking your success can be uncovered by past life regression. And we can help you uncover the true gifts you have, and you can find the passion you have in this lifetime. and how you can help others with your true gifts. The entire package of services are being offered as past life regression, and that includes trauma and emotional healing, your soul retrieval, that includes soul integration and collecting soul fragments or soul parts, and image readings are separate. That includes aura readings, your facial image reading, and subconscious image readings. All of these are part of the services that we are offering, other than Akashic readings. Thank you.